Welcome to our video today on the top 10 celebrity plastic surgery disasters. Over the years, plastic surgery has become increasingly popular among celebrities who seek to enhance their appearances. While some have achieved their desired results, others have had disastrous outcomes that have shocked the world. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the most infamous celebrity plastic surgery disasters, including botched nose jobs, lip injections gone wrong, and facelifts that left celebrities unrecognizable. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the world of celebrity plastic surgery gone wrong. Number 10. Priscilla Presley. Elvis might be able to see Priscilla right now. According to Dr. Yoon, he might be all shook up. According to Dr. Yoon, Priscilla Presley revealed a few years ago that a fictitious doctor gave her silicone injections in her cheeks. That might explain her puffy face, but it doesn't explain why her face looks waxy. The latter may have been brought on by a combination of Botox and repeated laser treatments, according to Dr. Yoon. There has been a lot of speculation and debate about Priscilla Presley's plastic surgery over the years. She was Elvis Presley's ex-wife. Sadly, a lot of people think that her surgeries went wrong, which led to a lot of bad plastic surgery. Her facelift, which gave her an unnatural and tight appearance, is one of the most notable. Her use of injectables like Botox and fillers has also come under fire for giving her an overly plump and frozen appearance. Presley has remained a beloved figure in the entertainment industry despite these setbacks, and her talent and style continue to inspire many. Number 9. Carrot Top. Dr. Yoon asserts that today, Carrot Top is looking more and more like a muscle-bound cartoon character. Dr. Yoon says that over the years, he seems to have changed a lot. He has a brow that is too high and a smooth face, possibly from laser treatments or chemical peels. Maybe they're next, but at least it appears he's left his eyelids alone, Yoon says. There have been rumors that the well-known comedian and actor Carrot Top has undergone a number of plastic surgery procedures in the past. His overly plumped lips, stretched and shiny skin, and face that looks almost unrecognizable from his original features are some of the most noticeable changes. Some of his fans think he's done too much with his cosmetic enhancements, but others say he has the right to choose how he looks. No matter what people think, Carrot Top's experience with plastic surgery has undoubtedly raised questions about the benefits and risks of cosmetic procedures in the entertainment industry. Number 8. Mickey Rourke. Dr. Yoon claims that hair transplants and a facelift and upper eyelid lift appear to have been performed on Mickey Rourke. Dr. Yoon says that Rourke's sideburns appear to have been lost as a result of a poor facelift. He adds, the now attached earlobe and the unnatural curve between his ear and cheek are also telltale signs of a facelift. Hollywood actor Mickey Rourke underwent plastic surgery to improve his appearance. Unfortunately, the surgery did not produce the results he expected, resulting in a plastic surgery failure. With visible scarring and asymmetry, Rourke's face appeared distorted and unnatural. Since then, the actor has publicly acknowledged that he regrets his decision to have plastic surgery and that it hurt his career. His case is a cautionary tale for people considering cosmetic procedures and demonstrates how important it is to thoroughly investigate and select a reputable and experienced plastic surgeon. Number 7. Jennifer Grey. According to Dr. Yoon, Jennifer Grey is a good example of how a nose job, rhinoplasty, can significantly alter one's appearance. Grey looked very different from the baby character she played in Dirty Dancing, when the bump, dorsal hump, on her nose was removed. Like Julia Roberts' lips, Cindy Crawford's mole, and David Letterman's gap teeth, that nose was one of Grey's distinguishing features. Although Grey's altered appearance did not prevent her from winning Dancing with the Stars, it may have prevented her from landing roles in movies. Dr. Yoon says, I personally think she looks better because it's just a little smaller. The issue, however, is that she no longer appears to be the same person. Number 6. Heidi Montag. According to Dr. Yoon, she underwent 10 cosmetic surgeries in one day, and now she looks less like a person and more like a Barbie doll. According to Yoon, none of these 10 plastic surgeries have, in my opinion, benefited her other than giving her more publicity and more reasons to undergo additional surgery. The reality star revealed that she had a mini brow lift, a nose job revision, Botox in her forehead, fat injections in her cheeks, a chin reduction, neck liposuction, ears pinched back, a second breast augmentation, liposuction on her waist, hips, inner thighs, and buttocks, and a buttock augmentation. Instead of a plastic surgeon, this troubled fame addict needs a shrink, Yoon says. Since then, Montag herself has said that the surgeries were a mistake. She stated to Life and Style Weekly, "People have fewer scars from car accidents than I have on my body." Number 5. Jocelyn Wildenstein. Dr. Young says that Jocelyn Wildenstein is an example of bad plastic surgery. According to reports, the Lion Woman of New York underwent a slew of plastic surgeries in an erroneous effort to woo back her husband. Dr. Yoon is of the opinion that she may have had a brow lift, facelift, lip plumping injections, chin augmentation, fat grafting, or cheek implants, upper and lower eyelid surgery, and canthopexy, which is a procedure that raises the eyes to make them look like cats. Socialite Jocelyn Wildenstein, also known as the Bride of Wildenstein, was Alec Wildenstein's former wife and is a billionaire businessman. She is well known for having a lot of plastic surgery, which has made her face almost unrecognizable. Jocelyn reportedly underwent a number of procedures, including facelifts, eyelid surgery, cheek implants, and lip injections to transform her appearance into that of a cat. Number 4. Michael Jackson. According to Dr. Yoon, Michael Jackson was a classic case of body dysmorphic disorder (BDD). He had a smaller nose, lighter skin, an unnatural cleft in the chin, a chin implant, lip augmentation, and God knows what else. BDD is a mental illness in which it is impossible to see oneself in the same light as other people. According to Dr. Yoon, this erroneous viewpoint causes BDD sufferers to undergo multiple plastic surgeries in an erroneous attempt to correct a defect that never existed in the first place. The King of Pop was no stranger to plastic surgery, and over the course of his career, his appearance underwent significant transformations. Sadly, a number of his surgeries resulted in a series of failures in plastic surgery, making his face appear increasingly unnatural and nearly unrecognizable. As he underwent a number of procedures that significantly altered his appearance, his nose in particular became the focus of discussion and speculation. Number 3. Donatella Versace. Donatella Versace's overly full upper lip is the first thing that comes to mind. The average natural size of the lower lip is about half that of the upper lip. However, Dr. Yoon refers to Versace's look as a trout pout because the proportions are flipped. Additionally, the designer's skin appears waxy, possibly from numerous laser treatments. The fashion icon and sibling of the late Gianni Versace, Donatella Versace, is no stranger to the subject of plastic surgery. She has had a number of cosmetic procedures over the years, including facelifts, lip augmentation, and Botox injections. Sadly, some of these procedures haven't gone as planned, which has led to some bad plastic surgery. Donatella's face has sometimes appeared stretched and pulled, and her lips have been clearly overfilled, giving her an unnatural appearance. Donatella's experience serves as a cautionary tale about the potential risks and pitfalls of undergoing plastic surgery, despite the argument that plastic surgery is a personal choice for some. Number 2. Joan Rivers. Joan Rivers makes no apologies for the numerous plastic surgeries she has undergone, including a facelift, neck lift, and eyelid surgery. Who cares if some people think her work has been done too much? Throughout her life, legendary comedian and television personality Joan Rivers underwent numerous plastic surgeries. Sadly, not all of these procedures went as planned, resulting in what many people consider a celebrity plastic surgery disaster. Joan admitted to undergoing a number of procedures, including a nose job, eye lift, and face lift, which altered her appearance significantly. While some praised her for being open and honest about it, others criticized her for going too far with cosmetic surgery. Joan's experiences with plastic surgery continue to be a topic of discussion in the entertainment industry, regardless of opinions. Number 1. Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers lost when he gambled with plastic surgery, declares Dr. Yoon. The country singer told People magazine in 2006, "I'm not happy about it, about a bad eyelid lift. It makes me insane." According to Dr. Yoon, he no longer resembles the scruffy, masculine man we knew in the 1970s because of his tight eyelids. The legendary country singer Kenny Rogers underwent a number of plastic surgeries throughout his life, but the outcomes were not always satisfactory. His face, which underwent a number of facelifts and Botox injections, appeared stretched and unnatural, making it one of the most noticeable changes. Rogers admitted in an interview that he had gone too far with plastic surgery and that he wished he hadn't. Even though he regretted it, the harm was done, and his fans couldn't even remember the singer, who used to be handsome and rugged. The story of Kenny Rogers serves as a warning about the dangers of excessive plastic surgery and emphasizes the significance of consulting a reputable plastic surgeon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.